Actually, I'm bringing a recipe today. It has to do with chicken, another chicken recipe. But this promises to be brilliant. Brilliant, I'm telling you. It's got eggplant and mushrooms and chicken and feta, and it's going to be like a pie. So come along. I have bacon, a touch of oil, and deboned chicken. I'm going to cook. And then I'm going to add all my other ingredients. And the beautiful ingredients, like I have garlic and onion and mushrooms. And the star attraction is the eggplant and feta. A touch of tomato, salt and pepper. And we're going to put this into a phyllo. We're going to make it into a pie. We're going to make it individual, or we can make it an actual pie, which I'm going to bake in cast iron pan. So, promises to be amazing. Our bacon and chicken are cooked, and we're going to add our onion, our garlic, our eggplant. This is one eggplant actually, it was a large one, but the eggplant shrinks and it absorbs all the oil. So we are safe in that department. If you feel you have more oil than necessary, don't worry about it. The eggplant gets drunk. We also are going to put our mushrooms. It's going to cook down. We're going to use our salt, pepper, there you go, this is good. And I'm going to use about a cup of tomato juice. All the oil is gone because of the eggplant. I use some vegetable broth, and it has to have some liquid going in. Now I'm going to use my mint. Look, it's frozen, but it's perfect. It brings freshness in your kitchen, and it brings the Mediterranean to your table. And this is an amazing combination of flavors. We're adding the feta. And this feta is perfect for cooking because it's double cream and it melts and it becomes creamy and it gives an amazing taste. We are ready to create eggplant chicken pie. I'm going to use oil and not butter for my phyllo. The procedure is going to take a few minutes. Make sure when you buy phyllo to be nice and fresh and not frozen, because the result is going to be a lot better for you. Most supermarkets have fresh phyllo. Look for it and get it. And I have a helper today, and he sees all my imperfections and complements the recipe by helping out. I'm sure this pie is going to be delicious. Okay, so one more and we're done with the base. This is a nice phyllo because it's not very thin. They have all kinds of phyllo now available here. You can get the thin one, the one that will make baklava, and you can make the thicker one is used for things like this. We're ready to use this amazing mixture and to dream. We like to dream. Warmer places in the middle of winter. When you use feta and eggplant and meat, automatically you go places. You travel, you know. And here we are. We are trying to finish a beautiful pie with the Mediterranean flavors of the eggplant and the feta and the meat. And here's a trick I use when I have a round pan. So I make it like a scarf and I use it like this. So it's double. And you make it into a round pan. You have excess, so you cut it and you use it as a decoration. It actually bakes well and it looks nice. You just have to make sure you oil it. It's nice and moist, and then you turn the sides in like this. It's going to be, like I always say, rustic. You know what we mean when we say rustic, right? It cannot become any better than that. You have to remember, you have to score your pita. When you work with phyllo, you have to score it before it cooks, it bakes. You have to score it. How many pieces do you want it? You have to score it. Because when it's nice and done, you cut it only if it's scored, like this. One more, and we're ready to bake. Preheated at 350, and it's going to cook for about 30 to 45 minutes. You're gonna see it. The phyllo has to be nice and golden. Okay? And we're gonna try it soon.